The Australian outback is a land of extremes, a vast and rugged terrain that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's a place of scorching sun and little rain where temperatures can soar to unbearable heights during the day and plummet at night. Yet, amidst this harsh beauty, life thrives. The flora and fauna have adapted in remarkable ways to survive and even flourish in such an unforgiving environment. One of the most iconic inhabitants of this land is the red kangaroo, a true marvel of evolution and adaptation. These creatures are giants among kangaroos, standing tall and proud, often towering over other species. Imagine a kangaroo that's taller than a human. It's a sight to behold, a testament to the incredible diversity of life in the outback. Now, picture it leaping across the landscape in a single bound, covering a distance longer than a car. Their powerful hind legs propel them forward with astonishing speed and agility. That's the power and grace of the red kangaroo. In slow motion, their leaps are a ballet of strength and precision, each movement perfectly coordinated. These animals aren't just big, they're incredibly athletic. Their muscular build and unique skeletal structure allow them to hop at high speeds and cover great distances with ease. They've been clocked hopping at speeds that would rival a car in a school zone. And those leaps? They can span over 25 feet in a single bound. They're not just for show. These incredible leaps are essential for their survival, helping them escape predators and travel long distances in search of food and water. They're a testament to the red kangaroo's incredible adaptations for survival in one of the world's most challenging environments. The outback may be harsh, but for the red kangaroo it's home. The red kangaroo's domain is the arid and semi-arid interior of Australia. It's a land where temperatures can soar during the day and plummet at night. Rainfall is unpredictable and water can be scarce. Yet the red kangaroo has carved out an existence in this unforgiving landscape. They've evolved remarkable strategies to cope with the lack of water. These kangaroos can go for long periods without drinking, sometimes even months. How do they do it? Their bodies are incredibly efficient at conserving water. They produce concentrated urine and their feces are remarkably dry. They even have specialized kidneys that help them retain as much moisture as possible. The red kangaroo's body is a testament to its harsh environment. Adapted to the arid and often unforgiving Australian outback, these creatures have evolved a range of physical traits that help them survive and thrive. Their thick fur acts as insulation, keeping them warm during the cool nights and shielding them from the scorching sun during the day. This fur is not just a simple covering, it's a sophisticated adaptation that allows them to maintain a stable body temperature despite the extreme fluctuations in their environment. Their coloring also plays a crucial role in temperature regulation. The reddish-brown coat of the males and the blue-gray coat of the females are not just for show. These colors help reflect and absorb sunlight in ways that are beneficial for their survival. Males sport a distinctive reddish-brown coat, which helps them blend into the red soil and rocks of their habitat, providing camouflage from predators. Females, on the other hand, have a more subdued blue-gray coat, which is equally effective in blending into the shadows and foliage. Their most striking features are their powerful hind legs and that massive tail. These legs are not just for jumping, they are incredibly strong and can propel the kangaroo at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. The tail, often overlooked, is a marvel of evolution. It's not just for balance, though it certainly helps with that. The tail acts like a third leg, providing stability when they're standing upright or moving at slower speeds. It's also used as a powerful counterbalance when they are hopping at high speeds. That tail acts like a third leg, providing stability when they're standing upright or moving at slower speeds. This unique adaptation allows them to conserve energy and move efficiently across the vast distances of the outback. And let's not forget those ears. Large and mobile, they are a key feature in the kangaroo's survival toolkit. Large and mobile, they help to regulate body temperature and are excellent at detecting sounds in their surroundings. These ears can rotate independently, allowing the kangaroo to pick up on the faintest of sounds, whether it's the rustle of a predator or the call of a mate. The red kangaroo's hopping ability is the stuff of legend. It's not just about brute strength, though those hind legs are incredibly powerful. It's about efficiency. Think of their tendons like giant rubber bands, storing and releasing energy with each hop. This elastic energy recoil reduces the amount of work their muscles have to do, making their movement incredibly efficient. As they gather speed, something amazing happens. The energy cost of hopping actually decreases. It's like getting a free pass on exercise. This remarkable ability allows them to cover vast distances with minimal effort, a crucial adaptation for finding food and water in their arid environment. Section 5. Kangaroo Societies. It's all about mob rules. Red kangaroos are social creatures, living in groups called mobs. These mobs can range in size from a few individuals to over 100, depending on the availability of food and water. Life in a mob offers several advantages. There's safety in numbers with more eyes to watch for predators. Within these mobs, there's a clear social hierarchy. Dominant males compete for access to females, often engaging in impressive displays of strength and agility. These sparring matches can involve kicking, boxing, and even locking forearms in a kangaroo version of arm wrestling. Section 6. Grazers of the outback, the red kangaroo's diet. Red kangaroos are herbivores and their diet consists mainly of grasses, herbs, and shrubs. They're opportunistic feeders, adapting to whatever vegetation is available in their ever-changing environment. Their digestive system is specially adapted to break down the tough, fibrous plant material that makes up the bulk of their diet. They have a unique digestive process called foregut fermentation. This means that bacteria and other microorganisms in their gut help to break down the cellulose in plants, making the nutrients available for the kangaroo to absorb. Section 7. Adaptable and enduring. The red kangaroo's success story. Red kangaroos are a testament to the power of adaptation. These remarkable creatures have evolved to survive and thrive in the harsh, arid landscapes of Australia. Their story is one of resilience and ingenuity, showcasing how life can flourish even in the most challenging conditions. They've thrived in one of the harshest environments on Earth for millions of years. The red kangaroo's ability to endure extreme temperatures and scarce water resources is nothing short of extraordinary. Their survival strategies are a fascinating study in evolutionary biology. Their ability to conserve water, regulate their body temperature, and find food in a landscape where resources are limited is a marvel of evolution. They have developed specialized kidneys that concentrate urine, minimizing water loss, and their hopping locomotion is energy efficient, allowing them to cover large distances in search of food and water. And move efficiently across vast distances is a marvel of evolution. Their powerful hind legs and large feet enable them to leap great distances, conserving energy and avoiding predators. This unique mode of travel is not only efficient, but also iconic, symbolizing the spirit of the Australian outback. They are a key species in the Australian outback, playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Their presence influences the distribution and abundance of other species, both plant and animal. By grazing on grasses and shrubs, they help maintain the balance of plant communities, preventing any one species from dominating the landscape, playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Their grazing habits influence plant diversity, creating a mosaic of different habitats that support a wide range of wildlife. This interaction between the red kangaroo and its environment is a perfect example of the interconnectedness of nature. Their grazing habits influence plant diversity, and their presence provides food for predators like dingoes and eagles. These predators in turn help control the kangaroo population, ensuring that the ecosystem remains in balance. This delicate interplay of predator and prey is essential for the health of the outback, and their presence provides food for predators like dingoes and eagles. The red kangaroo's role as both a grazer and prey species highlights its importance in the food web. Without them, the dynamics of the outback would be drastically altered, affecting countless other species. Understanding red kangaroos is not just about appreciating their unique biology, it's about recognizing their importance in the delicate balance of the Australian outback. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting red kangaroos also benefit the broader ecosystem, ensuring that this iconic landscape remains vibrant and diverse for future generations. It's about recognizing their importance in the delicate balance of the Australian outback. By studying and preserving red kangaroos, we gain insights into the health of the entire ecosystem. Their success story is a reminder of nature's resilience and the intricate connections that sustain life in even the harshest environments. Section 8. The importance of conservation. Despite their resilience, red kangaroos face growing threats. Habitat loss due to human activities like agriculture and mining is a significant concern. Climate change is exacerbating the challenges they face, bringing more frequent and intense droughts and heat waves. It's crucial that we implement effective conservation measures to ensure the long-term survival of these iconic animals. This includes protecting their habitat, promoting sustainable land management practices, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. By working together, we can help secure a future for red kangaroos and ensure that the Australian outback continues to echo with the sound of their powerful leaps for generations to come. Section 9. A final leap: why red kangaroos matter. Red kangaroos are more than just fascinating creatures. They are a symbol of Australia's unique biodiversity. They represent the incredible resilience of life in the face of adversity. Their story is a reminder that we are all connected to the natural world, and that our actions have consequences for the delicate balance of ecosystems. By learning about and appreciating these remarkable animals, we can foster a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world. And perhaps, just perhaps, we can find inspiration in their ability to adapt and thrive, even in the face of a changing world.